Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to sign out of YouTube account from other devices. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your YouTube account on your app or your website and log into your YouTube account. Once you are signed in, click on your profile picture available in the bottom right corner. Then in there, tap on the Google account option available there or manage your Google account option. So after you tap on the manage your Google account option, look for the security option on the menu and tap on it. Now simply scroll down till you find the your devices option and there tap on the manage all devices. Now here you will get to see a long list of accounts or a long list of devices you have been logged into. Now all you can do is tap on the devices you want to log out of and you will get to see a sign out button available there. Tap on it. This option will log you out of your YouTube account on devices you want to log out of. So basically this is how you check your YouTube account is logged into other devices or not, and if you want to sign out your YouTube account then you can do it in this way. So you may be asked to confirm the action for security purposes, confirm that you want to sign out and it will be done. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.